Back up to a new video in my home automation series, and I'm returning with a product review of these two reviews from Sonoff after my sort of like long holiday and being away from home with all the recording equipment and everything. And this should be an easy one because it's not a complicated smart home gadget, but as you can see, this is a mount, a recessed ceiling mount adapter for the Sonoff PIR and moisture sensor product, especially these ZigBee products. So this is the newer model, which is, I always forget the names. So this is the 03, SNZB-03 PR2. So that's the PIR motion sensor and the light sensor. And the older model, which was just the 03, didn't have the light sensor, just a PIR sensor. And this is the radar sensor. And this is the 06 model. But this is the 06P24, but there is also a regular 06 model, and this uses a radar sensor. So this one uses the 24 gigahertz radar sensor. The 06 model uses, I think it was a 6 gigahertz radar sensor. By the way, I do have videos on each of these products, so I would link them in the cards so you can watch them if you are interested. And as you can see, the difference between the two, I mean, obviously features and everything, then these guys are slightly wider and these are slightly narrower. Hence, we have two separate ceiling mounts. So for the 03 models, the matching ceiling mount is CMS03, and for the 06 models, it is CMS06. So Sonoff was kind enough to match the, the idea of this product. So they match the sort of like the naming convention of the product, so it's easy to remember them. And now finally, let me show them how it works. So obviously this is a ceiling mount, so it has these, you have to cut this big circle out of your ceiling, and then you can push these levers, these fingers in, and then it's a little bit of a difficult job, and then you push it in and then it flexes against the drywall, and then that's how it's going to look like from underneath. And as you can see, the whole thing twists or swivels in one direction. So if you want to swivel it in this direction, you just have to rotate it, and then it does that. And each of these models basically come in two separate parts. So you get the actual recess, So you get the actual recess light, and then you get this clip which keeps the device in place. And if you want to see the difference between the two different models, it's really just the I have to remove this. So the difference is really the size of the hole in the middle. So you can hopefully see that this is a slightly bit wider to accommodate the 03 products, and this is a little bit narrower to accommodate the 06 models. So as you can see, I can put this in, it fits in snugly, and I put the clip over it like so. And now this is mounted. So the 03 products are battery operated. So obviously you would need to remove the whole assembly from your ceiling. If you need to change the battery, there is no other way of doing that. So the only issue I see with that every time you try to remove this, the drywall is going to get a little bit damaged because these ears are going to pull against that. So I'm not sure in the long run how much it's going to damage the the ceiling or the drywall, or basically the cutout. But obviously it has a bit of flange, so you should be able to hide some of the damage. But I think it is likely to happen. Or maybe there is a trick how you remove them by not damaging the drywall, but I'm not really aware of that. I'm not really a drywall person. I only have a very small amounts of drywall, and just for decorative purposes. I don't have a drop ceiling in my house. And the other model is like that. You put the device on, and because these are USB powered, there is a 90-degree USB cable connection provided in the kit. Obviously you have to have USB in your ceiling because that's how you would power these devices. But the assembly is the same. You push this in, You put on a clip to secure it so it doesn't fall out. And oh, sorry, the clip goes in. Oh, it looks like the clip is not the same because this is an error clip, like that. So it's, this part is a little bit wider here. So this clip is slightly bit narrower at the end. So it clips on like that. And that's how you will mount this. What I noticed, if you see that, you know, once you swivel, this gets really close to the edge of the drywall. So once you push this in, obviously you have to connect the wire first and then you start pushing in, and probably the best idea is to swivel it that way. So this 90-degree gets a little bit further away from the edge of the drywall, you know, but once it is in, there is no obstruction and you can move it. And I think this is a really nice way of mounting these. And because this is USB powered, you don't need to remove these to change the battery. There's no batteries. And to be honest, from a distance, it looks like just an LED light, but in fact, this is a PIR sensor. So it hides nicely in your ceiling. So I think these are great products. Definitely a nice addition. I have seen on the market dedicated radar sensors and PIR sensors which are built into the same ceiling mount, so they don't come as a separate product, but the whole thing comes with the ceiling mount. But from the Sonoff perspective, I think it's a smart move that it becomes a separate product, so they don't have to manufacture a standalone motion or presence sensor and a ceiling mounted motion or presence sensor. You just have to buy these adapters and then you can use it in the ceiling. Or if you don't buy the adapters, then you just use the dedicated or the provided magnetic mount. If you remember, this is how you would normally mount these, and then you can put them on the wall and then you can direct them, you know, whatever way you want. But once you have a drop ceiling, I think this is a much cleaner setup and a cleaner installation. So anyway, if you like these products, there is going to be a link down in the video description below. But I think that's all going to be for today. Thanks for watching and hopefully see you next one.